Hi, good evening. Can you hear me? Am I
Yes, sir.
audible?
Now I can hear you properly, sir.
All right. So tell me, have we met before or are we meeting for the first time today?
We have met before.
Yes, I remember your name. I remember your face actually, right? We met, I think, last week. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tell me, did you go to school today?
No. Today I
Why?
woke late.
Sorry, you woke up late.
Yes.
And why did you wake up late? Did you sleep late at night?
Yes, because I was drawing
You were
at
drawing.
night, so I woke up late.
All right. And what were you drawing at night?
I was drawing a bridge.
A brush,
I was drawing a bridge.
a bridge. Okay, so was the bridge a part of the school project that you were given, or were you just drawing the bridge to pass time?
It was a school project.
It was a school project. So
Yes.
tell me, do you get many school projects?
Yes, I get.
And do you find them interesting, or do you find some of them boring?
Some of them interesting and boring also.
Got it. So tell me about a boring school project that you got.
Boring.
Yes.
When we get the what is that called? What is that called? I don't remember. There was a what? Draw a life cycle of a butterfly.
The life cycle of a butterfly. All right.
Yes.
So you found this boring.
We did. It was so boring because my map was telling us what to draw, how to draw. So we already know how to draw. So it is very boring.
All right. So you already know what you are expected to do, isn't it?
Yes.
So tell me, sometimes you get angry at your teachers because you feel that they are trying to force you to do something.
Can you repeat, sir?
Sometimes do you get angry with your teachers because you feel that they are trying to show you something that you know how to do basically.
No, sir. I never get angry with my teacher. And so when you were young, so you used to get angry?
No, I never got angry when I was young.
So do I.
Okay, you don't get angry, right? Okay. And what if I told you that I really got angry when I was young? Would you tell me that you also get angry at your teachers?
Sometimes I get angry with my sister.
With your sister?
Yes.
Are you talking about Julia?
Yes.
All right, no problem. Okay, so now tell me, do your teachers like you in school?
Sir?
Do your teachers like you? Are you a popular student in your class?
My ma'am is always saying to us, when you are your father's kids. But when we are at school, so it means we are her kids. My ma'am is saying that's what means she likes us.
So your ma'am likes all of her students in the
Yes.
class, right?
Yes.
Okay. And tell me, which subject are you the most cleverest in? Which is your favorite subject?
My favorite is maths. I'm good at maths.
You're good at maths, right? And how much do you score in maths normally in the exams?
I'm not. I don't remember how much I got in the last test.
All right, no problem. So now tell me now, how many hours do you go to school? What time do you go to school in the morning?
Sir, I can't hear you.
What time do you go to school in the morning?
And what time I got up?
No, not what time you get up. At what time do you go to school?
6 o'clock.
You get up from sleep at 6 o'clock.
I got up at 6 o'clock and my school starts at 7.
And what time do you come back from school?
12:30 or sometimes 12.
12 or 12:30. Okay.
And sir,
And yeah, go ahead.
what about you? You might, do you go office?
No, I don't go to office. My home is my office. You know why my home is my office? Because I teach on Kapingo the whole day. I teach at Kapingo about 7 to 8 hours every day.
Oh.
Yes. So this is why my home is my office. Right?
Yes.
Alright. So your name is Ritika, right? If I'm not mistaken.
Yes, my name is Ritika.
Oh, okay. So who gave you this name?
My grandfather.
Your grandfather. Oh, good. And do you know the meaning of this name?
No.
No. Alright. So tell me, do you spend a lot of time with your grandparents?
Not when I went to my village on December 14.
Okay.
And I returned. When did I return? I don't remember that.
Alright. So what do you sit down and talk to with your grandparents? What do you discuss with them?
My grandparents, my grandfather, grandmother sometimes talk to me, but my mother is busy talking with them.
Alright. So when they talk with you, what do you talk about with them?
He always, he would ask, when is your exam?
Okay. And does he buy lots of nice things for you? Does he buy lots of things for you when you go to visit your grandfather?
My favorite is I like eating sweet, but in Sagar I can't eat sweet and chips. We can't buy chips all the time.
Why is that so?
My father always buy the chips when we are going somewhere.
Okay. So which is okay? No problem, Ritika. Tell me, which is your favorite brand of chips? Which chips do you like eating the most?
Kurkure. You have
Kurkure.
heard that? Yes.
You don't like Lay's. You like Kurkure.
Yes, that's my favorite chips.
Okay.
What about your favorite chips?
My favorite chips are Lay's. I like Lay's chips very much.
What kind of chips are those?
Lay's are the potato chips, the wafers.
Oh, they are my father's favorite chips, but my mother's is always saying there is no salt inside.
Okay. So tell me, which is your mother's favorite chips?
Tomato chips.
Sorry?
You have heard tomato chips.
Okay, your mom likes tomato chips, right?
Yes.
Okay, good enough. Now, Ritika, tell me now, what kind of dresses do you like wearing, Ritika? Do you like wearing jeans and t-shirts? What kind of dresses do you like wearing?
Dresses. Are you talking about dress or t-shirts?
Anything.
I like wearing t-shirt and frock also.
Okay. So do you like shopping?
Shopping.
Do you like to go to shopping?
I like going to the mall and I like going to the mall because there are so many things to buy.
Okay. And whenever you go to the mall, what do you buy from there?
Whatever my mother wants to buy.
What do you want to buy? Do you ask her to buy something anytime you go to the mall, or every time you go to the mall, or do you buy once in a while?
When I went with my father, he bought pencils, and with my mother, she bought one chocolate.
She bought chocolates for you, right?
Not 3, but only one.
Only
And
one chocolate.
when I returned home, my sisters were fighting.
What were they fighting about? Were they fighting over the chocolate?
Yes, they were fighting for the chocolate.
Okay.
Then mummy said, no one is going to get the full chocolate. Everyone is going to get half.
So your mom punished you actually, right?
Ma'am, my mummy was angry at that time, so she said, "No, if you want half, if you don't want half, so I will eat the chocolate."
Oh my god. And did she eat the chocolate?
No, she don't eat chocolate. She was just
Just
saying that so that we can take half.
alright. Okay. So did you enjoy eating half the chocolate? Was it fun? Did you like the chocolate?
It was tasty, but I didn't wanted to share because I wanted the whole. I was asking mummy, it is only 5 rupees, so you can buy. But mummy said no.
No, alright. So I'll
Sir,
keep. Yeah,
do you like eating chocolate?
I like eating chocolates. I like eating lots of chocolates.
So
And
when you go to the mall, what do
yeah,
you buy?
chocolates.
Oh, chocolates only.
I only buy chocolates. I like chocolates a lot.
Oh,
So when I meet you, if I ever get the chance to meet you, I'm going to buy lots of chocolates for you. Right?
but too much chocolate will make your teeth that your teeth will become yellow or black.
Definitely. Right. So you have to be careful with your teeth. You have to eat less chocolates, right? Okay. So tell me, which chocolates do you like? Like I like Kit Kat a lot. Kit Kat is my favorite chocolate.
Which chocolate?
Kit Kat.
Oh, that's also my favorite. And there is what? There is a new chocolate.
Which is it? What is it called?
It's called a watch chocolate.
Sorry?
It's called a watch chocolate.
Watch chocolate.
Yes, it might sound strange, but uh, in the middle there is a big circle. So when you open, when you put it like this, and it get half. So inside the circle there are chocolates, and we can wear it also, but it's not real. It's a toy.